Some widgets set their size according to constraints defined by their parents. But widgets such as list view, row, or column don't place bounds on their children's sizes. How do you impose a default size on a widget who's dependent on their parents' constraints when they don't exist? Enter the LimitedBox widget. LimitedBox gives its child a default size only when LimitedBox's parent is unbounded. When a widget's parents constrain its size, LimitedBox has no effect. For example, the outer container has set constraints for its child, so wrapping it in a LimitedBox does nothing. LimitedBox's potential becomes unlimited when used with list view, whose scroll direction is unbounded. Let's say you want a list of widgets that normally try to match the parent's size. That's not going to work in a list. Placing containers in a list view shows nothing as containers set their size to 0 when unconstrained. This time round, wrapping the containers in a LimitedBox imposes the LimitedBox's max height on each of the containers. And there you have it! LimitedBox gives its child a natural dimension in unbounded environments. For more info on LimitedBox and all the other Flutter widgets, head over to flutter.dev.